When did I start writing poetry? Basically, poetry is quite new to me. I only started like, I'll say about 2 years ago, but I only started like doing it properly like earlier this year. 2 years ago, the first time I wrote was, I was coming back from a friend's house and just loads of words started fitting into my mind. They kind of flowed together and sounded kind of nice in my mind. And then I was like, yo, I could write something with this. So started putting it together and had like a poem finished that night. And I was like, oh sick, this is cool. I wrote a poem. So that was like the first time I've ever written anything before. I was never like the type that liked English or like writing essays or anything like that. And now poetry is like a big part of my life. I spend like my waking nights just writing something. So I'm a cool kid, I promise you. You know what? Fuck you. I'm the greatest. I'm the best of the best of the best. Nah, don't get it twisted, I'm not hyping. I'm Deacon A here. Sit down, this ain't a hype thing. I'm a humble genius. Nigga, I'm woke. While you man sleeping, I'm living my dream. 6 foot gang, no beard, I'm a spice. Jollof this thing's not common white rice. When I go Chinese kitchen, I order that extra spicy. I'm not a pirate, but Nando's still waving that black flag for me. What does poetry mean to me? Basically, poetry means like the world to me. It's like the ability to play with words in ways that most people wouldn't have like even thought of. So like just like general wordplay is just beautiful to me because I'll be listening to something or someone just like picks a word. Like one of my friends started doing it recently. Like she gives me like texts me like 2 random words and I've got to create like a freestyle off the words. And it's something new way to be creative. Is like gives you the ability to try something new with the way you look at the English language. Like the wordplay is just like so beautiful sometimes. Just like, wow, this is what truly means to finesse something. Tabasco sauce can't touch this. I drank the whole bottle. MZ Hammer, stay in your lane. I'm going full throttle. Dead need for speed. This ain't Fast and Furious, Coventry. I ain't even got a license. I got moves like Omari on fuck up backup dancer. Sex appeal like Usher. My name ain't Trey, but your neighbors know my name. So my first time performing, it was quite big for me because it was the first time I actually like been on stage in front of people and talking quite a lot. Because the last time I did any like performance piece was my head boy speech that kind of didn't really go too well. I kind of got really nervous and spoke really fast and went through this whole speech in like 10 seconds and it meant to be like a 5-minute speech. And to compare that to my first time performing was, I was telling everyone like, hi guys, I'm Muslim and I love poetry. And it was, obviously people knew me and they realized like, wait, Mike's not really the typical guy you pick as like a religious and hardcore like faith person, but my faith does define me. So the first time I was writing that or reading that to people was that like, wait, what? And it was kind of like, yeah, a little secret that you guys didn't know about me. Everyone wants to be like Mike, so I'm dunking on you like Jordan, saying fuck you to race like Jackson, step to me and get ass popped back like Tyson. Your girl likes me, I'm sorry, I'm Mike Lowry. Watch this space, because one day I'm performing at the Lowry. Live at the Apollo, nah, I'm out of this world. Space Jam, I'm Bugs Bunny. Why are you laughing? This shit ain't funny. You man think this is a joke, man. Nah, fuck you. I'm just gassed like the first time you did the jump, man. Have my shit on repeat, back to back, man. Last night in LA was a banger. Shout out to Captain Conan. How do you think my audience felt? More shock about that, like, they're looking at me like, is this the same guy that we know and we see in the raves doing all the nonsense and stuff like that, and he's got a little something extra, so that's what I like to have. Nah, I'm not done. I ain't run out of bars like Chip. I ain't gonna tolerate no lip dilly lip. I should write a rap about how much I love me. You think Kanye loves Kanye? I love me. One team, one dream. Fuck the lack of an I in team, cause I rep team me. Why? You can't spell team without me. Michael. I wish I had like a proper poet name, but I really don't. I just can't think of one that fits me, so I'm just going with my name, so Mike Sneezy. So the work I did was called My Mantra. The reason behind it, basically, I was just gassed. I'm not gonna lie, there was no validity to the story poem. It was just like, I was hyping, and I was like, you know what, I'm amazing, I'm the best. Like sometimes take time to realize how amazing you are. And then I was like, you know what, let me finish it up, kneeing it out, and then I was like, let's throw it out there. So I only finished it like this weekend, because it was something that I was just trying out, and it fit, so it felt fun. This is my mantra. This is what I start every day, that I start to doubt myself. I start to look and think of who I am, what I've done to get to where I've got to. And you should start each day remembering who you are or what you've done. But have a nice day.